Okay, good morning, kids. Today is a lesson that pertains to the history of food and technology as it pertains to food. Yes, because believe it or not, we have tremendous technology right on this table. This is a package of scrambled eggs with bacon, and it has gone under a process called freeze dry, where through the creation of vacuum, all the water is removed from the eggs and the bacon, and when you remove the water and then you seal it as it is in this container, well, it doesn't break down. Bacteria cannot get to it because it's sealed first, and even if it were to get to it, because it doesn't contain water, then the bacteria will not be able to pretty much exist on the product. And I know about this because a few years back I actually wrote the business plan for my brother's company, and they had a competitive technology, the microagglomerating technology, that also extracted water from products and thus preserving them. So, you know, to preserve food, it's a big science. We went from having to use salt to protect meats and creating a variety of cold cuts like salami, pepperoni. The whole reason why Christopher Columbus was going to India was because of the spices that were necessary to protect the food supply. Alright, well, we have here very practical one person little pots coffee. Instant. Well, it's actually not instant. Oh, it's 100% Colombian coffee. But it's in a little pouch. You have your sugar, you have your creamer. That means I don't have to actually carry liquid with me. So that's the advantage. I have water and then technology here. Oh, look at that. The packaging. Some fruit and little sausages in very small containers. It will be around the time of Napoleon where they will invent the actual can to preserve food. I don't like to carry these because it's, well, you have liquid and so there's weight. Excuse me. And then you have the metal, that's additional weight. And then we have crackers. Crackers are normally given to soldiers in the field. They're typically very hard crackers, and you would find them during the Civil War. This little thing here is the stove, and I'm going to, well, we're coming to the 3-minute mark, but I'm going to show you next time around how I get it started, how all I have to do is really heat the water, and once I heat the water, I combine it, I put it there, and I will have breakfast. I couldn't have done this just a few years ago. Okay, so this is how it works. My little butane canister, and this has a way to screw it in, and once it's in the butane canister, let me just flip these little things up here. I don't know if the camera, I don't have a tripod, I had to do without. Okay, now we have canister tied, and let's see how we turn it on. Okay, let's put the camera here. Maybe here it can stand. Ooh, no, it's not secure enough. Oh, we'll use these. And then I have a little. Good. We have it there. Look how quick. We couldn't have done that a few years back. So now we have a flame. We're going to boil the water. When we boil the water, we're going to pour it inside. Let's look what freeze-dried food looks like. And all I do is I open the package. And you take out the little oxygen absorber. My eggs and bacon are there, they're just dry. This is, by the way, what the astronauts eat. They eat a lot of freeze-dried food, again, because of how expensive it is to take weight into outer space. It is extremely expensive, so, you know, they just bring the water on one side and they bring the food on another side, and, well, it gets done. Okay, guys, I'm going to catch you later. Okay, now I have the water inside the pouch. I have to wait now for 5 to 6 minutes, and then the product will reabsorb the water, and so I'll have scrambled eggs and bacon. Now I'm heating my water for my coffee, and I have this little pouch that contains the coffee, and as the water gets hot, it will basically extract the coffee from the dry powder, and it will be dissolved in the water. And then we have sugar cane. Oh wow, sugar. You know, the West Indies and the slave trade, and all of this was tied to sugar as well. So you know, so many advances. The plastics, the packaging, the fact that we can freeze dry a product. I don't need refrigeration. I don't need a freezer. These technologies, there's so much science on this table, so much. The products here, the way they've been able to cut and, you know, the speeches and package them in such a way where also with the syrup that's in there, protect them from bacteria. Just to think that in this little box, my little stove goes, and oh, now we have the Viennese sausage here. Look, knife, spoon, it's all one item. So it's amazing. Battery's running out, so I might have to you know, cut it short. But this is breakfast, and I don't even have to wash dishes because I eat right out of the bag. Very similar to how soldiers in the field eat. The reason why I bought these is that they're very light. They're different types of meals ready to eat, but some are very heavy. These are designed for basically mountain climbers, and so weight is an issue. And well, when you are moving that recumbent trike, definitely weight is an issue. So all these things need to be, you know, you need to prepare. Had I not done my homework, had I not done my research, you know, things would have failed at the simple stage of just trying to cook a meal. The importance of doing your homework, the importance of doing research, the importance of reading, the importance of knowing how to get information and how to apply this information. Those are the secrets of success. All right, guys, I will catch you later.